Hey everyone. So I was having a bit of a trouble connecting to Telegram. As you can see right here, I have my proxy connected that I hosted locally using the Surfshark or any OpenVPN server. It is hosted in Docker right here. It has a dashboard which I can use to connect to any servers. Currently, I am connected to Singapore or TCP. And here are my settings. I can change the interface to whatever I want. Currently, it's configured to 127.0.0.1. Obviously, it's hosted locally. And I have saved these configurations right here, as you can see. Here is my source code. Here are all the OpenVPN configurations. I am personally using Surfshark. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. That's why I have all these configurations. I can simply just go to my Surfshark account and download these files. Let me show you how to do that. I go to Surfshark, my account, I log into my dashboard, go to the VPN, manual setup, then I select OpenVPN, and then I go to the locations and I download the OpenVPN configuration files. This gives me a zip file that contains all of these OpenVPN configurations. Once you have that, you will need to update your auth.txt. As you can see right here, you will have your auth.txt mentioned on your Surfshark dashboard. But if you're using any other OpenVPN, then you'll use your own username and password. So things may vary. Once that's done, you will simply just start this Docker container. As you can see right here, I have my Docker container running, and I can simply just access this using my localhost 8080. I will link the repo in my video description